A thunderstorm moved in last night. One of the most violent we've had in years. As always with thunderstorms, my first instinct is to grab my camera, try to take some cool lightning pictures. This night the lightning seemed to be all around us. It came from all directions, from the north, south, the west, moving into the east. The lightning flickered like an old broken ceiling lamp, like you might find in a haunted house or an old institution. The thunder in some places seemed almost continuous, but was often hard to tell what was thunder and what was the sound of the water coming down on the roof and the asphalt in front of the house, which soon switched over to even hail. When the hail finally started, I was standing out on the porch watching. By the time it was over, we had inches of it piled against rain spouts and against the sides of the house. The lightning was so constant you could almost see the clouds moving. It almost brought to mind biblical myths and creationist legends about how the world was formed, from where the water and the air met, and eventually land was created in between, and all the things that we know on land. It felt like that the same creative forces behind the making of the entire earth were rolling through in the sky above us. Not necessarily good, not necessarily evil, but with a power that I couldn't even understand, but what I felt like I was a part of. As I stood there on the porch, as the rain came down, the lightning flickered. Is there more to these thunderstorms? Talking to a spirit, Lucy, a couple of months ago, she said that the lightning in the air helped her to manifest and communicate with us. The good energy of the group did too. Is that combination between people and storms so perfect that we can even manifest spirits from the afterlife? Or is it just a thunderstorm, passing through, sometimes severe, sometimes dropping hail and tornadoes, and sometimes just flickering in the distance that you can watch from your front porch on a summer's evening?